Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on auto repairs with Pep Boys, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on auto repairs with Pep Boys, begin by researching common repairs for your vehicle model. Familiarize yourself with the typical costs associated with these repairs. Next, visit the Pep Boys website or your local store to check for any ongoing promotions or discounts. Compare the prices of services offered at Pep Boys against local competitors. Consider signing up for Pep Boys email newsletters to receive updates on exclusive deals. If you have a Pep Boys rewards card, ensure you're using it for every repair to accumulate points. Schedule a maintenance check to identify potential issues before they become expensive repairs. When it's time for repairs, bring a detailed list of what you want checked to your appointment. Ask the service advisor to explain the costs and necessary repairs. Request an itemized quote before any work begins. If the cost seems high, don't hesitate to ask if there are less expensive alternatives or repairs that can wait. Inquire about financing options or payment plans that Pep Boys might offer for larger repairs. Take advantage of any warranty or guarantee on parts and services. Make sure to keep all receipts and documentation of your repairs for future reference. Regularly maintain your vehicle to prevent costly repairs down the line. Finally, remember to check back periodically for new promotions or programs that could save you money on future services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.